Hello, welcome to another Dam's TV. It's Friday morning. Do you know when you get a phone call, can you do this job? Bit of an emergency job, really. Well, emergency in the sense that I couldn't do it next week and they wouldn't wait till September when my next day is. So I managed to just tweak the diary a little bit and I managed to come here and I'm working Saturday. But I didn't want to come to this Saturday, wait till you see it. Liam didn't want to work and he was like, I thought, I'll do it on my own. And then when he sent me a picture of it, I was like, no, I won't do that on my own. No way. Liam can have some pain as well.
Stop fabricating stuff.
Stop fabricating stuff. I'm not fabricating it.
You said you want to do it on a Saturday? I went, not really, but I'll do it. And then you said, oh no, actually, there's plenty of time. We'll do it Friday instead. We're on this hospital job. So you're just making stuff up.
I'm not making it up. You didn't want to work Saturday.
Well, no, but I said I will.
Are you working Saturday?
No, what to do Saturday?
There is. We're going doing that. We could have gone to that other job.
What other job?
In Liverpool.
Oh yeah. What, Dave's?
Yeah, we could have gone to Dave's. And you didn't want to. I don't want to work Saturday. Because you're like...
You're making it out like we have to do
I'm not making it. Have I moved it so that you could work? I was going to come here Saturday with Callum.
Yeah.
So I've moved it so that you can work. So I'm not fabricating anything. Get this guy trying to make me look like I'm a faker. There's no fake on this channel, I've told you. Liam won't allow it.
There's no fake when I hear it.
Anyway, let me show you the roof. Right, let's start here. Bit of a chase to do there, easy peasy. Box gutter, nothing special. Roof. I would have liked a flat bit there, but obviously I've not got one. But it makes it easier to cut, I suppose. I don't know. We'll see. The only naughty bit is that the wires go across the bottom there, which I'm not too happy about. I bet Liam can hit one of them easy.
Yeah.
I mean, lights is the 4. Yeah. You know what I mean? But anyway, and then there's obviously the dreaded sun solstice to do. So we'll have to see how we get on. We'll get it in one mix, at least, won't we? No danger there. It's just a matter of ordering it, and it's only small, so might be done quicker than I thought, really. I thought I was in for a decent long day, but I don't think we'll. I think we'll be okay. Anyway, let's get cracking, and we'll see how far we get. Let me tell you what we're up to, or what we've done. We've got the boards round. We've filled that chase with some drywall adhesive. British Gypsum drywall adhesive seems to have changed. 1, it's gone pink, and 2, it's absolutely fantastic for filling stuff in. I don't know what they've done. I don't know what they've done to it, but well done, British Gypsum. I love it. Might just be a fluke. Right, what else I did was, see this foil tape? You might have noticed. I put another layer around because some of the roof was showing there like a bit of aluminium. And any little bit of metal shows, it will sweat. So that's why I just thought I'd do that. The last thing I want to do is come back and do a patch on one of these roofs where it's leaking and they say it's leaking, it's not leaking, it's the condensation. So I've done that. The electrician wants me to just make a little hole and bring the wire through. So I'll do that for him. And this roof is different. It's not got like a flat section there that it usually has. I mean, I've done like this before, but I just don't like it. I just don't like it. I think it looks rubbish. It would have been better. Oh no, you couldn't have had a flat piece, actually. You couldn't have had a flat piece in there because of that. A flat piece. Well, you could have had a flat piece, actually. To there. I could have bored it, and it would have looked better. I don't know what it's going to look like, but we'll just have to see, won't we? Right, so my first board, I'm going to cut this one first, and then the offcut will do that maybe, and then I'll cut that and the offcut will do that, and then we've got bits around here and we'll just crack on. Anyway, let's get going. Right, that is all the insulation boards used up. Spotted a deliberate mistake. I made a hole there, and actually I cut that for there and it was wrong, so I had to start again. But I just had to use that piece, but never mind. This roof was probably one of the hardest roofs I've done. And I know you're thinking, oh, come on, Damo, you've done them. Well, I'll tell you what, it took some doing. Because there was no flat bit, if there'd have been a little flat bit in there, which the guy said he couldn't have done it, but I disagree, I reckon you could have done it, and it would have looked better. Then I could have boarded that little square, That would have made the length shorter. And I could have, I just would have been able to cut it a lot easier than when I did. So I wanted the square to make it easy for me really, I suppose, but the box gutter's a challenge. I had to cut it back. I know it looks rough, but it's not. I know it looks rough, but that's the only way to do it, to cut it back and let the board fly through and put a bead on. You'll see that bit in a minute. So all I've got to do is board these reveals and board the box cutter, which I'm going to do now. And then we're going to have some dinner, and then we're going to skim it. And then we're going to get out of here, because this job has been horrible. And I can't really explain why, it's just too fiddly.
It's awkward, isn't it?
Absolutely awkward as anything.
The angles are all different.
Yeah, the angles are different as well. I don't want to explain that.
No
So I cut that first, and usually that then fits there. But if you this is probably exaggerated, but that one is a shallow one, and that one is a longer rake. So that triangle wouldn't fit. So you're cutting every single triangle, and you've nothing to cut off. Does that make sense? Like, I keep going about this middle section. If you'd have put a middle section in there, I could have boarded it down there and then just had 2 triangles to cut, because you've done the centre bit. But what I did there, I halved it, and that worked in. But then you've got things like this going on here. How can you cut that? Because obviously, if you can see there, that tape, that's a square board. And it didn't fit. I had to put a slither in. That's by the by. So you couldn't measure the bottom and measure that, because that was an angle. You needed, again, a square piece there. You could have put a square piece down here, and then you would have had a square to cut off. Does that make sense? If you put a board in the middle, just a strip, it makes it a square angle to a triangle. So you can cut them really easy. Nightmare. Anyway, let's get this box gutter done. Right, we are finally all ready. Here we go. Belting. Stuck all my beads on. Taped up. Liam's just finishing taping when he gets ready to. Oh, absolute idiot.
You're going to get a fucking kick in the head, you. I hate you from here. Donkey kick to the teeth.
Donkey kick to your nuts. Not a lot to skim now, it's just awkward. We need to put a dust sheet over that one, a drop sheet over that rad, or just the rest of it. Be a good idea, wouldn't it? And then we're ready to go. We're just going to have some dinner now, and then we're going to mix up. And I'm not in a good mood, because that has smashed my head to pieces. I just want to go home. Can I go home? Should we go home? You're supposed to egg me on and say no, you idiot.
Oh, right, sorry.
Man. Right, we mixed up. It's lash it on time. Don't forget to fill your tapes out and all your beads first. It's important. It makes it a much better job. What's been flipping it on? Get the box gutter on. Liam's doing that side. Get around the reveals on. I'm doing that little nib on the box gutter. It's too quick. Can't comment on it. Flipping heck. We're laying in. It's so small, the roof was. It was just awkward. Little tricky, awkward roof on a Friday of all things. Stupid sun solstice is in. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and get in the comments. Right, that's the job done. I'm just giving it its final one with the Ox Ultraflex. And we're done. And I'm glad that that one is over, because I'm telling you, it might not look much and you probably won't appreciate, but that is one of the hardest jobs I've ever done. Belting, getting paid as well. But yeah, That was by far one of the hardest jobs I've ever done. It may not look like much. And I've done bigger. And I've done, I don't know, there's a big slack there. I need some stuff. Have we got anything? Got this. Look how hard that is in the tub. Right? And this is what I'm saying about multi-finish and pure finish. The difference is that this will knock up, Luke. Because a bit of a slack here. Hang on. Let me get it here. Let me get it in shot. There's a bit of a slack there. And you see what I say about this stuff? It just knocks up again. And that's it. It's rock hard. Now if that was multi-finish, you wouldn't be knocking it up again. Has he treated the brushes? Is he stupid? Oh no, it's here. So that's the difference between the multi and the pure. You can knock it up a bit, even when it's gone. Even when it's gone hard. I was just saying, Liam, that is probably one of the trickiest and the most awkward grooves I've done.
Yeah, it was. Everything seemed wrong, isn't it? Like, it's not wrong, but
It wasn't that it went wrong.
there's nothing about it was simple.
It was just that it I think the bit for me was not having that flat section in the roof. If we'd had that flat bit of section in the roof, it would have made cutting the roof so much easier. Because where that was, it was like 130, wasn't it? Well, that would have been less than 120 without a flat piece in. So you could have just cut it and it would have worked in and it would have just been better. It's hard to explain it. But I'm glad it's done. And it's Wigan and Saints tonight. Woo-hoo! That's cheered me up a bit actually. Wigan and Saints. Come on, Wigan.
Who's winning?
Oh, who do you think's Wigan? He's just resigned, the coach, today, this morning. Or was it yesterday or whatever?
So it's saying Sam Allardyce just took over.
Allardyce. Football manager.
Said something like that. There's a news article on the line.
It won't be Sam Allardyce.
That's what he said. I'm sure it was. That's still got the name for.
What does he know about flipping rugby?
Don't say Italian star.
You are full of shit.
I don't know, I said it somewhere.
Oh yeah. It might be Sam Allardyce, but it won't be the football coach Sam Allardyce, will it?
That's what the name said.
Right, anyway. That's the job. Done and dusted. It's Friday. It was a slog. It was horrible, awkward, flipping some sausages in. Nightmare. I'm glad it's done. If you've liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm closing on 2,000 subscribers. Quick.
Everyone unsubscribe.
Click. Get on the subscribe button. Don't cost you anything. Click. Give a bit of support and a bit of love to Dams TV.
Should do this at the start of the video.
Why?
Because no one's watching now.
Of course they are. Close to watching. People watch, man.
Comment on who's watching to the very end.
If you watch this to the end,
The bitter end.
comment. The bitter end. Get in the comments. Or even if you've just skipped to the end, let me know in the comments.
Or maybe you don't even want to bother watching, just put it on the background.
Cut.